Hello guys, welcome to the channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers, and in this video we are going to see the MCQs based on basic of energy and solid fuels, which is unit number 1. And these MCQs are very important for the university examination for semester 1. So let's begin. Question number 1. The amount of heat required to increase the temperature of a given mass of material by 1 degree is called. The options are option A heat capacity, option B specific heat, option C specific heat capacity, option D all of these. So the correct option is option A heat capacity. Question number 2. The change in heat content of a substance when its physical state is changed without a change in the temperature is called dash heat. Options are option A latent, option B sensible, option C conduction, option D convection. So the correct option is option A latent. Question number 3. The energy absorbed by or released from a substance to change the temperature of a substance with no phase change is called dash heat. The options are option A latent, option B sensible, option C conduction, option D radiation. So the correct option is option B sensible. Question number 4. Conduction, convection and radiation are the primary mode of heat dash. The options are option A exchange, option B conversion, option C transfer, option D production. The correct option is option C transfer. Question number 5. The conduction of heat takes place when dash. The options are option A there is no medium between the bodies, option B a fluid such as a gas or a liquid move from the hot to cold portion, option C bodies are in contact with each other, option D none of these. So the correct option is option C bodies are in contact with each other. Question number 6. The convection of heat takes place when dash. Options are option A a fluid such as a gas or liquid move from the hot to the cold portion, option B bodies are in contact with each other, option C there is no medium between the bodies, option D none of these. So the correct option is option A a fluid such as a gas or liquid move from the hot to the cold portion. Question number 7. The thermal radiation takes place only when dash. The options are option A a fluid such as a gas or a liquid move from the hot to the cold portion, option B none of these, option C bodies are in contact with each other, option D there is medium between the bodies. So the correct option is option B none of these. Question number 8. The key processes is the interaction of a substance with thermal radiation are. Options are option A absorption, option B reflection, option C transmission, option D all of these. So the correct option is option D all of these. Question number 9. The process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas or vapor is called dash. Options are option A condensation, option B evaporation, option C sublimation, option D solidification. So the correct option is option B evaporation. Question number 10. The change of the physical state of matter from the gas phase into the liquid phase is called. Options are option A condensation, option B vaporization, option C evaporation, option D sublimation. Option A is correct, condensation. Question number 11. Which calorimeter is used to find calorific value of solid and non-volatile liquid fuels? Options are option A Boyce calorimeter, option B Junkers calorimeter, option C Calvert type calorimeter, option D Baum calorimeter. So the correct option is option D Baum calorimeter. Question number 12. Boyce calorimeter is used to find calorific value of dash fuels. The options are option A solid and liquid, option B gaseous, option C solid, option D liquid. So the correct option is option B gaseous. Question number 13. calorific value as determined by bomb calorimeter is the options are option A, high calorific value at constant volume, B, gross calorific value at constant pressure, C, lower calorific value at constant pressure, D, net calorific value at constant volume. So the correct option is option A, high calorific value at constant volume. Question number 14. The variety of coal which has the higher carbon content is named as. The options are option A, anthracite, option B, peat, option C, bituminous, option D, lignite. So the correct option is option A, anthracite. Question number 15. Factors influencing humidity includes. The option are option A, volume, option B, mass, option C is pressure, option D, temperature. So the correct option is option D, temperature. Question number 16. Amount of water vapor in air is regarded as. Options are option A, osmosis, option B, humidity, option C, Celsius, option D, dryness. So the correct option is option B, humidity. Question number 17. In proximate analysis, calorific value increases with increase in dash. The options are A, moisture content, B, volatile matter, C, ash content, D, fixed carbon. So the correct option is option D, fixed carbon. Question number 18. Calorific value can be determined theoretically using dash formula. The options are option A, Dulong's, option B, Bob calorimeter, option C, Boyle's calorimeter, option D, all of these. So the correct option is Dulong's. Question number 19. The calorific value of volatile liquid can be determined using. The options are option A, Bob calorimeter, option B, Boyle's calorimeter, option C, Dulong's formula, option D, none of these. So the correct option is option B, Boyle's calorimeter. Question number 20. About temperature, which of the following statement is incorrect? The options are option A, temperature is a mean of determining sensible heat content of the substance. Option B, temperature is a mean of determining latent heat content of the substance. Option C, heat is a form of energy. Temperature is a measure of its thermal effect. Option D, in the Celsius scale, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure. So the correct option is option B, temperature is a mean of determining latent heat content of the substance. Question number 21. Dash energy is not type of kinetic energy. The options are option A, sound, option B, heat, option C, electrical, option B, nuclear. So the correct option is option D, nuclear. Question number 22. One of the major type of source of renewable energy is dash. The options are option A, natural gas, option B, coal, option C, petroleum, option D, hydropower. So the correct option is option D, hydropower. Question number 23. The carbon compounds have been used for many years as the source of heat energy because of the combustion reaction is strongly dashed. The options are option A, exothermic, option B, homeothermic, option C, endothermic, option D, endothermal. So the correct option is option A, exothermic. Question number 24. The energy absorbed by or released from a substance to change the temperature of a substance with no phase change is called dash heat. The options are option A, latent, option B, sensible, option C, conduction, option D, convection. So the correct option is option B, sensible. Question number 25, and this is last one. The only correction which need to be added in bomb calorimeter formula is. The options are option A, fuse wire correction, option B, acid correction, option C, cooling correction, option D, cotton thread correction. So the correct option is option C, cooling correction. At last, I say thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineer for more information. Thank you.